Lady Justice has spoken loudly and clearly in the Derek Chauvin murder trial. And what she said was this: guilty, guilty, guilty. As the prosecution in Minneapolis noted, no one is under the law and no one is above the law. And as a Supreme Court justice once said, we are a nation of laws, not of men. Hi there, my name is Tom Wright. I am the founder and publisher of Strong Liberals. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button for more killer commentary and no-holds-barred analysis. Why is this so huge? This conviction of Derek Chauvin, the police officer in Minneapolis. I'll tell you why. It's because, in my opinion, police across the country have been put on notice. If you kill someone, you will pay a price. There's no more impunity for racist violence by people hiding behind a badge. This conviction, which just occurred, is going to save lives. And it shows that black Americans matter too, as one protester in Minneapolis so eloquently expressed it. They matter too. Justice in America is not just for white people. It is for black folks, brown folks, and everyone else. This conviction of the white police officer for killing a black man, it makes a statement, and it says, it affirms black people's humanity. A very, very basic concept that it's ridiculous we have to even consider, but the reality is we do. And that conviction reaffirmed the basic humanity of black people. I applaud the jury, the police officers who testified honestly and truthfully, the judge, and the prosecution. And I congratulate America. It was a good day for our country. Now, here's the thing. Derek Chauvin got his day in court. George Floyd did not. He was given an automatic death sentence by Derek Chauvin. Okay, but here's the thing. This conviction, and it's a great one, no doubt about it, and it's historic. Nonetheless, it will not stop police brutality. It will only slow it down. The number of killings will be reduced, thank God, but they will not end. We know that. Police brutality is still a huge problem in America. Every state in the country, hundreds, thousands of cities and towns across America have to deal with police brutality. It has always been this way in America, unfortunately. Here are some of the names of past victims of police brutality. Terrence Crutcher, Botham Jean, Freddie Gray, Philando Castile, Breonna Taylor, Eric Garner, Oscar Grant, Elijah McClain, and Tamir Rice, to name only a few. Vicious racism and a culture of violence have made police brutality an everyday occurrence in the United States. I have some experience in police misconduct law. I worked with a prominent police misconduct attorney, and I saw for myself how difficult it was to get a conviction, no matter how strong the evidence. That, for me, what happened yesterday is a massive shift in the right direction. What made a difference? Well, a huge difference in this case and in others that have recently occurred: video cell phone recordings. That has been a game changer. It's a small, tiny technology, but it's had a huge effect on police misconduct cases and the pursuit of justice in those cases. Some of the other obstacles to accountability historically have been a failure of police to cross the thin blue line. As I mentioned before a moment ago, the lack of video evidence, also pro-police juries, naive or biased judges, and pro-police newspaper coverage and television coverage. That is starting to change, and it began yesterday in Minneapolis, Minnesota. So, change has come to this country. I can feel it. I know you can feel it. We saw it yesterday. As Joe Biden expressed shortly after the verdict, America took a step forward on the long, long march to justice. George Floyd, may you rest in peace.